Let's be honest, using AI can be a bit hit and miss, right? One moment it's saving you time, the next it's giving you total nonsense. At Cosmic, we help small businesses like yours make AI actually useful. This friendly, hands-on workshop, Intro to AI and Prompt Engineering, is all about helping you get better results without needing to be technical. Yes, we cover prompting, how to talk to AI so it actually does what you want, but we go way beyond that. You'll see how tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot can help with everyday tasks, things like replying to emails, drafting blog posts, writing reports, or organizing your to-do list. These are tools you can use right from your desk, no technical setup needed. We'll also show you how to spot when AI gets it wrong, what to do when it gives vague or confusing answers, and how to refine your prompts so it gets things right the first time. Whether it's helping with marketing, speeding up admin, or improving how you respond to customers, we'll explore platforms like Canva, Zapier, and Microsoft Copilot with examples that show exactly how they can support your business. You'll learn how to hand over repetitive tasks to AI so you can focus on work that really matters. And we'll show you where AI tends to go wrong and how to stay in control. So it's actually helpful, not a hassle. This session is designed to be practical, supportive, and genuinely useful, whether you're brand new to AI, have only played around with it, or use it regularly but want to improve. We'll meet you where you're at.
You'll also learn to make videos like this at Cosmic's Introduction to Prompt Engineering Workshop, June 25th at 9:30.
The workshop takes place on Wednesday the 25th of June at 9:30 a.m. It's online and easy to join, so scan the QR code to book your place now, but don't hang around because spaces are limited. Come join us and we'll make AI work for you, not the other way around.